Hello everyone, welcome to a brand new episode of Lockdown Diaries Part 1. I am Netra Sawant, founder and director of fashion house IRA. On behalf of our entire team IRA, I would like to thank our Corona warriors for fighting for our society day in and day out. Thank you so much. So guys, today's session is about home care for your designer clothes. तो सबसे पहले हम क्या करेंगे, हम हमारे वार्डरोब में जो डिजाइनर क्लोथ्स है हम उसे सॉर्ट करेंगे इनटू 3 कैटेगरीज. एक जो हमने वॉश करने हैं, सेकंड जो हम एयर ड्राई कर सकते हैं, एंड थर्ड जो हमें सन ड्राई करने हैं. So looking into the first category, before washing any apparel, you have to take a note कि every brand has a label attached to it, जिसपे उन्होंने काफ़ी सारे इंस्ट्रक्शंस मेंशन किए होते हैं कि आप उसे हैंड वॉश कर सकते हैं या मशीन वॉश कर सकते हैं, ब्लीच करना चाहिए या नहीं करना चाहिए, what temperature to use for ironing can be done or not done. Certain instruction specifically for that particular apparel they have mentioned. So before washing I have to take a note of that and accordingly take the action. This is a silk kurta. So before washing your any designer cloth, look out for any stains on it. Okay, there might be certain pit stains, यानी जो armpit के यहाँ पे sweat residue होता है, or there might be certain food stain on it. So accordingly you'll have to take action. So suppose it's just a normal pit stain or or maybe a food stain. So I'll accordingly pre-soak this particular outfit for some time in my mild shampoo, or if there is a stain then accordingly I'll pre-soak it in a fabric stain remover. Yeah, so once you soak this outfit, you can leave it for like half an hour, 45 minutes, 1 hour according to the requirement or the specifications mentioned. Just rinse it in a normal temperature water. In case you have a fabric conditioner, go ahead and use it. Just after washing it, just soak it again for 15-20 minutes so that this cloth remains fresh for longer time, and just dry it. So that's quite simple, yeah, how you can take care of your apparel. Second category is air drying your outfits. So I have this sari, this silk sari. So most of us, what we do whenever we attend any function or maybe a wedding, we wear heavy silk saris probably, and we don't wash after every use. Yeah, after maybe 2-3 where we give it to dry clean or roll press, stuff like that. But unfortunately, due to lockdown, since these laundry services are not available, what you can do is saris like this. It doesn't have any stain or anything. It's absolutely clean. I had already actually got it dry clean, but since it was lying for few months, it has a peculiar damp smell to it. Okay, so since rainy season is approaching soon, what I'll do is, I have benefit of summer season now, I'll just leave it to dry on my drying rack for few hours maybe, and it will be fresh again and good to go. You don't have to really wash your heavy saris. Yeah, so once this is done, it's sorted, you can keep it aside. Now third category, a heavy outfit like this. Okay, this has a complete intricate work all over it. This is an anarkali, which I had worn it once for few hours, I think half an hour or 1 hour or so. I don't want to really wash it, or you rather do not wash such intricate outfits always or at home. Even if you want to go ahead for that, since it does not have any pit stain or any such thing, I had already dried it, by the way, before keeping it in my wardrobe. I had air dried it. Still it has developed a little bit of a stench due to what do you say, sweat residue. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to sun dry this particular outfit. So in case you want to put any outfit in the sun for drying, please make a note of it that you do not dry such intricate clothes directly under the sun, because they are very sensitive. These clothes they are made of silk or wool. Yeah, it's such delicate material, Banarasi. They are quite sensitive to sunlight. So before sun drying any such apparel, what you will do is just cover it with any soft cotton cloth. Just put it over it, and then you can go ahead and keep it for sun drying. If it's I would suggest not to directly put under sunlight, just where you are getting good sun rays. Yeah, you can just keep it for half an hour or so till the smell goes away. Yeah, and it will be fresh and crisp after that. So you're sorted with it. Yeah. So that's about how you take care of your clothes, whether you want to wash it, hand wash it, air dry it, or sun dry it at home. Yeah. So moving on to the next part of it, we have certain heavy outfits at our home. For example, I have this Georgette sari which has complete stonework, Jardozi work, and a lot of sparkles all over it. Yeah, so how do we take care of such outfit? How do we pack it? So next part is going to be how do we pack our clothes. Yeah, so I'm sure we all have such sari pouches or cotton pouches at home. So I'm going to show you the storing technique next. So see, for example, I want to pack this particular sari with other outfits or these outfits here, but I can't directly stack it on those outfits because it will spoil the texture of other outfits. Since this particular sari has got lot of stonework and zari work over it, it will pull off the threads from the other outfit. So what I'll do is, again, अगर आपके पास ऐसे कोई सॉफ्ट मटेरियल है या न्यूज़पेपर है, दैट इज ऑल्सो फाइन. तो ऐसी जो हेवी साड़ीज है या ड्रेसेस है या लहंगा है, आप उसे कॉटन के कोई भी मटेरियल में, क्लॉथ में फोल्ड कर सकते हैं. या एंड देन कीप इट इन योर पाउच, प्रेफरेबली बॉटम में, ताकि वो कोई और कपड़ों के साथ क्या कहे घिसे ना. एंड इसका भी वर्क, जो इंट्रिकेट वर्क है, वो भी इंटैक्ट रहेगा, एंड इट विल ऑल्सो नॉट स्पॉइल एनी अदर आउटफिट. या, सो you stack your outfits which are absolutely washed and dried thoroughly. Okay, as we discussed earlier, प्लीज बी केयरफुल कि हम अभी जो सनलाइट है वो काफी हार्श आती है, एंड हमारे जो डिजाइनर क्लोथ्स है उनके लिए डायरेक्ट सनलाइट इज लिटिल हार्मफुल. या, सो बी केयरफुल नॉट टू ड्राई इट डायरेक्टली अंडर सन. अगर आपके रूम में ही सूखा है, विच इज अंडर कूल ड्राई प्लेस, दैट इज प्रेफरेबल. या, सो बिफोर स्टोरिंग योर आउटफिट, okay, there are few tips I would like to share. What do you guys do to keep your outfit fresh for a longer time? What I do is, I have this sandalwood pouches which you get from Mysore store. So I had gotten it few from Bangalore when I had gone. So I usually keep one of those sachet in the pouch. Since we don't have access to such pouches now, what you can do is you can use some home remedy. Okay, I have this clove buds with me, जिसे हम लौंग कहते हैं. This has a very nice fragrance, though it's a spice. I know आप सोचेंगे मैं स्पाइस को इसमें क्यों डाल रही हूँ, बट येस लौंग हैज मेडिसिनल वैल्यू टू इट। ये आप अपने जो है पाउच में रखने से एक फायदा तो ये है कि इसमें खुशबू अच्छी आएगी। टू, इसकी वजह से आपके कपड़ों में डैम्पनेस नहीं पकड़ेगी। व्हेन द रेनी सीजन अराइव्स, इट विल नॉट have that peculiar damp stench, yeah, so it will keep your clothes fresh. Okay, so this is what I have done here. हमने कुछ clove buds डाली। अगर आपके पास camphor balls हैं तो आप camphor balls भी डाल सकते हैं। That also gives a nice fragrance to your clothes. एंड दूसरा फायदा जो है कॉटन के पाउचेस में आपके कपड़े स्टोर करने का ये है कि इट कीप्स ऑल योर इंट्रिकेट क्लोथ्स सेफ फ्रॉम एनी डस्ट और डायरेक्ट सनलाइट। ओके, and though you're not going to wear these outfits probably for few more months, being rainy season or maybe due to lockdown, these apparels will be safe, okay, in your wardrobe. So that's all about it. In case, one more tip, in case you have individual zipper pouch like this, please go ahead and you can store your embroidered clothes in this particular pouch. That is more advisable. So yeah, that's all about this particular session. I hope you have enjoyed this session. In case you have any suggestions, you want us to make such videos for you guys on any other topic, please feel free to comment in our comment box, and we will surely come up with more videos for you guys. We'll be happy to share with you. Thank you so much.